Constraints often create better solutions. Trying to reduce waste or rethink materials forces creativity. It leads to better design, smarter logistics, more efficient processes. Take CEMEX, one of the world's largest producers of cement and concrete. Facing pressure to decarbonize, they didn't just tweak their processes, they redesigned their product line. Their low-carbon concrete, Vertua, reduces emission by at least 25% with options up to net zero. That's not just about carbon. It's a new value proposition for clients in construction and infrastructure where sustainability is now part of the brief.